Welcome back to the new video, everyone. So this is a part three from the for the previous videos. Travel tracker part three, and in this video, we're gonna be giving some features to our application, travel tracker application, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Something like let's see this, and I'll show you what are the modifications that are we're going to be doing. So when I enter a country name with the lowercase, it will return an error. So we're gonna be normalizing the case. I mean text case. So and the other thing is whenever I enter a wrong country name, it will return an error. So without giving an error, I want it to show here the country you entered is is not valid. So and whenever I enter a country that's been already in in the travel tracker, something Canada, I want it to show I want it to show the country is already entered or already existed. Something like this. Whenever I entered wrong country name, I want it to show something like this. So that's what we're aiming for. So let's get started. Let me show you the code. So in order to do that, we're gonna be using try and catch block. So we don't need in the get block. So it will happen when we're gonna add or insert data into the database. So add here. First step, it's gonna try to check whether the country that's been entered by the user is inside the database or not. I mean, valid or not, the country. So, in order to check that, we're gonna be lowering the case. So, this will normalize the case that's been entered by the user as well here. And we're gonna be using like. This means whenever we enter a country, I mean, whether if it's a long country name like United States of America, I think that's the only name I know. Long country names. So whenever I entered America, it will automatically um, trigger the country name of United States of America and select the data and return that result. So that's why we're going to be using like. So I hope you guys have already know how we're doing. This is a wildcard and this one for merge and this is the user entered data and this one merge with the wildcard again. So this will do. And when when the user entered data is valid, then it will I mean valid, it will go to the another try and catch block. Otherwise it will go to the catch block over here. And whenever it enters into the catch block, it will return an error that we have encountered. And that will log show in the log console. And it will we're gonna return a visited checklist, check countries, whatever countries that's been visited by using this method here. Check visited, and we're gonna render an home page of index.ejs, and we're gonna template the I mean template the variables such as countries, total, and error. So countries we're gonna retrieve and fill that fill with the color whatever, and this is for total to show on display. This is for whatever, This is for show. I mean, if there's error, it will show on here like this. Country name doesn't exist. Here are we here, and that's it. And oh, if it's if it's valid, then let's go to the another try catch block. Here we're gonna try to insert the data into the database of visited countries, and whenever we insert, if it's success, we're gonna redirect to the home page. Otherwise, we're gonna catch an error and show it to the user, and render the home page. And so this is an error, right? So we're gonna tell the user the country has already added and try again. So that's it. That's how it does. And save, and go to the page. I'm gonna enter country name of India with the lowercase. When I enter, the country is successfully inserted into the database. So whenever I mm, whenever I refresh the country, and you'll see here, mm, mm, looks like there's something bad happened. Whatever, let's go over here, and India done, and Aust, no, Australia, Brazil. Brazil is already inserted, and France already inserted, and Japan. So, so country names have been increased, and somehow I don't know why this. I mean, this field is not filled with the color. Maybe there must be some error. Whatever. Mm, whatever the error is making me crazy. Maybe it is some. Mm, so here the country has successfully added. Here you can see that Japan and Australia. Let's add Australia. Australia here. This one, and I'll add. Country name doesn't exist. Okay, maybe that's. I mean, I've entered a wrong country name, and I'll check and see the country names and add them. Countries, view data. This will show all country names. So Angola, Angola, right? Mm, Angola, and I'll add. Okay, that's been added, and country name increased. And let's see over here, Angola Evo. So this is it for today, guys, and we have successfully finished our application, and maybe because of some error I'm unable to fill. Let me show you index.ejs. So here, this one we're gonna use to fill the color of me add red. When I done, and when I go over here and refresh this, you can see that's been changed with the color red. Hmm, there must be some error. I don't know what. And I'll remove this. Hmm, fill and see. So that's it for today, guys. Our application has been successfully done, and in the next video, we're gonna start learning about relationships such as 1112. I mean, not 1 2, 1 1 1 too many and many too many. So, and we're gonna track another project of permanent list. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.